Hello dear friends. We welcome you to our channel. Today in our video review we present you shag hairstyles that are trending now for different hair lengths. Please watch the review to the end, and maybe you find the most fashionable haircut. One of the biggest hair trends is the shag haircut, a versatile style that works with virtually any hair type. With a shag, you can be sure you'll keep your look updated and sexy. Whether you have thin or thick, short or long, straight or curly hair, there's a style for you. Check out below. Long center parted shag haircut. Look effortless and sexy with a center parted long layered shag haircut. Shag cut with curtain bangs. Shag hairstyles and curtain bangs are always a great match, creating enviable volume. Pro tip: add highlights and waves for extra texture and a sun-kissed look. Modern shag haircut. The modern shag hairstyle is somewhat more casual than the classic 1970s version. The haircut of rock and roll stars now looks more feminine and effortless. This shag haircut can be shaped in a way to perfectly balance out your facial features. Thin hair shag. A shag haircut for thin hair can give an illusion of thicker locks when body is played up on top. Long choppy shag haircut. A long shag haircut has the magic power to frame your face beautifully while adding a touch of chaos to your appearance. Go for this choppy cut if you're a rebel at heart. We also recommend trying uneven bangs for a stylish glam rock reference. Shoulder length shaggy hairstyle. Do you prefer shoulder length locks? Well, you don't have to go shorter, since shag hairstyles fit all lengths and textures. Try adding waves and highlights, and you're ready to go. Shag haircut with bangs. Of all the shag haircuts for women, this edgy, creative, intentionally messy variation refers directly to the iconic hairstyle. Medium length hair, choppy bangs, waves, and highlights get the job done. Go to a club and rock the dance floor. Messy shaggy haircut with Birkin bangs. Although they may require some maintenance because they end just above the lashes, these bangs named after Jane Birkin are worth the effort. It's an excellent match for a messy shag if you want to achieve a quirky and romantic look. Curly shag haircut. Complement your chaotic shag hairstyle by adding scrunched curls throughout and face framing highlights. Rocking this shaggy cut, you may discover a new, savage side of you. Curly shag haircut with piece Y bangs. Afraid that your curly hair will look like a mess? Then try a shag haircut to make it hot and give it shape. Let your curls do their thing, as this hairstyle will give them more movement and direction. Save. Red hair shag hairstyle. Tired of the same hair color you've had since birth? If violet or pink is too risky for you, then dye your hair red. Redheads always stand out, so your new shaggy cut will undoubtedly attract everyone's attention. Dear friends, when creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Let all your dreams come true. Thank you for watching the video review to the end. Thank you for you subscribing to our channel, put like, and sharing the video with friends and family. Click on the bell not to miss new videos. Up to new meetings.